Welcome back to Home Garage, and in this video, we'll reveal day 24 of the Wera Advent Calendar. Last time, we opened the number 4 hex bit. Now, let's see what's behind the final day, which is day 24, as we move through the numbers 1 to 24, which represent the days in December before Christmas. And we have this year's bottle opener. There you have it, the 2024 Wera Advent Calendar fully revealed. And for a quick summary, here's the Wera pouch, which holds the salt and pepper shaker. This ultra slim bottle opener. And this Wera holster with various bits, sockets, and attachments. Now, I hope you enjoyed the 2024 daily reveal of the Wera Advent Calendar. But essentially, from my family to yours, have a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. And thank you so much to all my subscribers and viewers for making this a wonderful 2024. So make sure you help to keep this channel going by hitting that like button, sharing this video with a friend. Of course, please comment below as I reply to all. Plus, don't forget to subscribe. And we'll see you next time on your Home Garage.